Hi friends, so we've got some items on the left hand side and I want to create a simple to-do list. So the first thing I'll do is create a checkbox in these corresponding cells. So I'll select the cells, go on insert and press checkbox. And now let's make this a little bit smaller. So if I tick a checkbox off, the value will appear as true, but for those that are unchecked, it will be false. We can use this logic to create some conditional formatting to make this even better. The way we do that is by selecting your actions or your items, then going on format, conditional formatting, and then where it says format rules, select the drop down and go all the way to the bottom to custom formula. And here is where we're going to add a formula that will be equals if B2, our checkboxes, if that equals true, then we want the items to be highlighted. So if I press done, so as you can see it's highlighted in green, and then every time I check it off it will turn into green. Now you can change the formatting by clicking on this again, and let's say we want it to be a strike through, and let's change it to a grey. Press done. As you can see, that will automatically update.